Gather around, all Chicharrone fans. It's Chicharrone time. Arriba! Long time no see. It's the Pigskin King coming back at you for one more video. Mission Chicharrones Picante flavor. Now the reason I ain't done a video in a long time is because I live in a small town with only a few little stores and they buy the same shit over and over and over. Mission makes tortillas, and I'm not a great big fan of the tortillas, to be honest, but I am a fan of chicharrones. So I was like, gotta try it, dog. They expire October 11th, 2018. For a little shot on the back. It's got all the good stuff. 80 calories. 370 in sodium, 15 cholesterol, 4.5 total fat, 0 carbs, 8 proteins, and no sugars. Not bad, not bad. These are made from Mission, and they are made in Irving, Texas. Let's bust into these bad mofos and see what's cracking. Mission chicharrones, pork rinds, pigskin. Ooh, they smell good. They look light and fluffy. They are light and fluffy. You damn near see through them. Tell it's got a little hot stuff on there. They smell good. Picante flavor. Wow. Zero total carbs, 0 trans fat. These things ain't too bad. Damn. They're good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give them a 7, 7.5. They're not bad. But let's just be honest. Once you eat one chicharrone, they all kind of taste alike. Now some are harder than others. When you get into some, but you know, some aren't that damn good, just to be honest. But these, were they as good as I thought they were? They're actually a shade better than I thought they would be. Like I said, I've been eating Mission tortillas, and that's about the only freaking option we got where I live. Besides that brand at Walmart, if you like shopping at Walmart. So I wasn't really sure what to expect out of these Mission chicharrones. But they're not that bad. Would I buy another bag? Yeah. Yeah. I wish they was a little hotter. I like some with a pop to them. Until next time, Pigskin King. Bye. Bye.